Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today, this is right now part 2. So, oh no, police is run. Very bad starting.
You are going to have a come with us.
Oh,
Why are we late, bro?
get out the way. I need to get to my plane. Look,
I need a flight.
why do we?
Can I drop kick this guy?
Why? Give me, guys, grab a bat. Guys, grab the bat that's here.
Can I drop kick security instead? Can't I go through the vents?
Can't you see you got a bat?
Oh yeah, guys, you guys have to. Yeah, we need to get through the vents. That's one thing. Climb, get through the vents. Climb, get through the vents.
I don't have a weapon.
Sigh, I knew it was a bad idea. Then if you knew it was bad idea, why would you do it for?
Why would
Now we
you
are
win
totally losing the flight. No worries, go through the vents.
Go.
There it goes.
Where?
It's
Which
starting
vents?
to take off.
I can't find it. Is
Me
it
too.
This one?
Is it this one? Nope, probably not. Wait, what is that red thing in the art strip? Oh, I don't know. OMG, what is coming out? OMG, I'm running. What is that?
What the?
Last one. My plan is finally complete. OMG.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Oh my mother.
That.
Why is that?
Are you enjoying the show? No, I am not enjoying the show. Humans, no.
Just type in no.
The world will soon be property of the undeads. Dude, I'm a Shinigami. I'm already dead. First, I used angry humans to help me build an army, but now I can take over. The world by myself. Okay. Don't worry.
Don't worry.
You will be a part of my army too. In the end.
No.
Yes.
No.
See you in the afterlife. Oh no, not there. Anywhere except for the afterlife. I'll be an army member. XD.
What?
Yeah, no. What?
Right?
Can we go for this vent? I'm hitting it over 100 times. What's going on?
Did I hear zombies? Am I hearing zombies?
I think so. Look, the cops are back.
And then,
I hear zombies.
I told you.
I don't think those cops are friendly. We're running.
I told you they were zombies.
Find a weapon and kill them. We had to kill them. Die. Pia. Pia, 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 Bro. Okay, we're all dead. Running. Oh my god. I have so little HP. I might even lose
Wait,
this.
did you die?
No one died. That was horrible. We got to find a way to exit this place. The vent.
Are you using sarcasm?
Look, there is vents. Oh, finally someone talks about vents. Try to see if you can get up there and find something.
Why are we still holding back?
A bat's are beautiful, that's why. Let's go. Stop screaming, Aiden.
I am not.
Can we get through this somehow?
How?
Let's go to the first vent. Not possible to get in the first vent.
I found it!
Last vent.
Look, it's the last vent. It's the last vent. Oof.
Last vent.
I found it myself. Why did you guys?
I didn't die yet.
found-
OMG, what is this? This is baggage room. We became baggages.
I'm getting baggage.
I am a baggage. I'm a
I don't wanna
baggage. I want to die.
Where is?
Why is Dad?
Oh no.
You need to keep going without me. Okay, I don't mind. You
I'm getting sucks.
look. It says, "Oh no, the skeleton curse is affecting Dad." I DC. I actually want that to go away.
I don't care because he let us fly the plane.
Yeah.
And he killed us.
Yes, exactly. So I don't care. What do we do? Oh, we need to climb that.
Through the roof vent. I know what obbies are.
Me too.
We are experts.
Oink.
Oh,
Oh, secret badge. Let me get it.
secret badge.
secret
I found
badge.
it. Secret smart.
Secret 4. Secret 4 award. Thank you.
Easy.
What is this place?
Why do packages
Wait,
I'm literally-
here?
It looks like I'm late to the party. General Poncho, he's here. Yay.
I wrote my face.
Yeah, he's
It's
here.
not
I'm
enough.
Poncho, ex-general of the Robloxia States Army.
Yeah.
Why are you still on the ground, Aiden?
Listen, look.
General, he's back. He was from Airplane 3.
My head is
Yeah.
Can we fall off the building?
Possibly.
No, don't do it. And I'm stuck. Oh wait, never mind.
Here's the obby, guys. The obby star. We're gonna do some obby.
Wait, is this a hard obby?
No.
All obbies in like these story games are easy, I
Yep.
guess.
Story games always have obbies. Why? Can't a story game can't have obbies?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's just an option.
I knew it was an obby.
No, it's not an obby. It's just walking down planks. XD. Wee, boom,
Nice.
boom. Wow, that wasn't an obby. I was walking on planks.
Oh, that.
Much easier.
Oh, it's that guy. It's that
Who's that?
guy from
Walk
the.
off, you guys.
Oh, that's Ronald. That's Ronald. That's Ronald. Ronald's good guy. Ronald's good guy.
Ronald. It's
Ronald, good guy. Ronald, good guy.
Good guy. This
Ronald.
is good.
Ronald, good
If
guy.
any of you guys are
But
watching,
he did good ending last
if
time.
any of you guys are watching right now and thinking what we are doing, watch play 3. Be careful. This guy might be an infected. He's flipping Ronald, our good friend. I'm.
He's
What?
Ronald.
Wah. It's Ronald.
It's Ronald. Oh God, why is corrupted? Why is corrupted? Hello, General. Remember me?
Oh, he's corrupted.
Uh-oh. Not
He's a.
Not
It's
Ronald.
freaking Ronald.
No
It's
way.
a freaking-
You are supposed to be dead.
Yeah, let's go
What?
get
Dude, I did the good ending. I guess we're both supposed to be dead. I did the good ending
I
though.
meant the good ending too.
Yeah, Ronald became good.
Yeah.
Oof, we got shot in the face. That made my curse become weaker. The only way I can completely be free is by killing Skeletops.
By killing Skeletor.
Ooh.
Oh, Skeletops. It's that
I
creature.
still don't trust you. I'll help you, Ronald. I want to set you free. You set us free, I set you free.
Because we did the good ending last time.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Spam jump. Me
Spam
too.
jump and you will glitch.
Well,
to
I'm still
Ronald
going
and
to
kiss
do
him.
it, General. Yes. Who's coming with me? Me. Me. There's no way my team's going with you. I am me.
You rushed Jenna, we said yes.
Is
You're
it
spamming me.
Ronald? Pick Ron. I'm picking Ronald.
Ronald. Do it.
Ronald. Please. Ronald. Please. Please, people. Ronald. Ronario. We chose to go with General Poncho. What?
No.
I chose to go with Ronald. We chose Ronald. Oh. Dang
If
it.
this is the bad ending, we are literally.
I want to
We-
go to Ronald. No
We
fair.
will.
No fair. This is
This
the
is
place
the bad ending.
where
choose
all the
Ronald.
evil energy comes from. Dude, are we gonna turn evil, mister? What is that noise? Oh no.
No, fellow Robloxians.
They found us.
No, don't do it. Stop screaming.
Quickly.
Like zombies. You're not
Go
zombies.
inside. Oh god, this is a maze.
I hate mazes. That way, this
I
way.
hate
This
mazes.
way.
Oh, that way, okay.
No, not that
This
way.
is so hard.
This way.
Oh, this way.
This is. Mazes are bad.
No.
Bro, you guys are killing us. Ah, the Robloxians are already here. What in the world?
There's no mazes.
Oh. We can't even use it.
Over here at the most end. That guy seems to
I can't
the
even use
maze.
my bag.
I found the ending of. I found how to beat the maze. Hey. I found it.
I am literally following you.
I think I found it. E-H.
What is this?
Yes, I found it.
Oh, that was
I found it. I found it. This is super hard. This is actually terrifying.
This is actually real. Wait, don't you just follow the general? Or does he just teleport?
Yeah, me too. I'm lower than half
You
health.
can also look at this to go through the maze.
We are the only three left in this game.
Uh-oh.
Ah!
I
You can see
know,
I'm
not
actually
in the mouth.
rolling.
Why we get shot into the mouth for no reason at all?
I can't even move.
What is this place? Oh, give me that sword. Give me that beautiful sword. Whoa.
Don't slice me. No, don't you do it. Ronald. Oh, that's the good ending.
And that's the president. Oh, Jack. No, Jack.
Oh, Jack from the cruise.
Yeah, he's from Cruise. He got attacked by a skeleton. Or the person.
I thought Jack was the guy. I thought Jack was...
Now we shall kill that stupid skeleton.
Get out of here. General is a trap.
What skeletons? I can't find. Where's the skeleton? I want to kill
He
them.
said in Star Wars. He said it's a
OMG.
trap.
Oh, God, that scared me.
I'm going behind the
Can I just
general.
stab
You
it
saw
in
the
the
general
face?
before me.
I've harvested enough sacred skulls to have my full power. Okay, so what? Why do you think I go after the planes? It's the easiest way to get souls together. For their life. Scared for their life. I just used Ronald because I did not have enough power to do it myself.
Cruises are not even planes.
Yeah, that's
Cruises
true.
are not planes.
But now I do. Get ready to be harvest too. In 50 years. I didn't.
Oh no. This is just a boss fight.
Mr. Skello, in 50 years you can harvest me.
Yeah,
It's a boss fight, bro.
Boss fight, yes. I want some. Oh, yeah. Boss fight. And it's a beautiful. Oh, what in the world?
Ow.
Hey, dodged it. Mwah, stupid.
Die. I'm only half health. I'm gonna die.
Don't worry, follow me. He what is he doing? Oh, he's turning that way.
Oh,
Bye bye. I have a knife to cut you.
bye.
Why you guys hurt?
I don't want to
Because
die.
I got smashed
Seriously,
by
don't-
him.
Oh no.
I'm dead.
Oh, Queenie died.
Oh, I'm alive. Whoa.
We are both alive.
I'm dead.
Queenie just died.
Oh no, dang it. What?
Oh no.
Ow.
Ah!
Let's see can I last it. Let's see can I survive. Oh, I'm still alive. Oh, this guy's powerful.
I also left.
Dang it. Whee! Hurry! I was gonna die. This guy's powerful. But not powerful as me. Dun dun dun. Kidding.
That's what killed me that time.
Did you
Kill him.
Can I
Are you
slice him?
still alive?
Oh, I can slice him. Slice.
you still-
Yeah, I'm slicing him with my sword. I think why. Oh god.
Dad, watching YouTube your videos.
Alright. Oh god, what am I gonna I'm not gonna die. Oh, okay. This is gonna be hard. But for the viewers out there who's watching this video, I'm gonna try to complete this game. Ow. Bro. This is extremely hard, I guess. I don't know how to beat this. Yeah, it's hard. Oh god. Oh god, no. Oh, it has HP bar on top. Oh. jab. Oh, I missed. The boss is gonna slam me 3 times and I can hit him. Alright, now I can hit him. Is HP getting lower? I don't know. Can't see. See. Ooh, his HP super low. This is gonna kill him. Oh yeah. Hey! I need to be careful. I might get killed. Oh no 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 no! Put your hand away. Spinning, he's spinning. Oh dang it. Oh no no no! I'm gonna get killed. I might get killed. Oh oh! Ooh! I'm not hurt. Stop! Don't ask that question. That's what he Oof! I might die, but let's hope I won't. Oh no! Stab! Oh, I can't stab him yet. I can stab him very soon. Alright guys, he seems very low HP, as you can see. Let's see if we can finish him off from the last time. I'm not sure can we, but let's have a look. Whew. I'm gonna follow his little hand. Why is General Poncho crying? Oh! Ooh, I dodged it. That was close. Now he's gonna start smashing me with Poto body. That's 1 time, I need to wait 3 times. Keep on running. That's the trick. Okay, last time. We have to make him not hit us, but we're gonna hit him to death. Okay, now take a sword and start jabbing him. Don't stop till he dies. Let's see if we can kill him. So can he die? Die. Whoa, 1 more time that he dies. Yes. Let's do this. Oh, I died. Oh. I have to see if I can do it again. Alright, that's really annoying, but doesn't matter. We can try it again next time. So, bye. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe and like. See you.